How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth Ringtone Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on the More button at the top, and then tap on Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, we go down and then tap on Ringtone Sync. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Ringtone Sync. Now when you turn off, tap on OK button, and that is now to switch off, or you can switch it on. Here's a use your phone's ringtone when you get calls on connected Bluetooth devices. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.